Alright, so I want to talk about modifying a cheap Aldi table saw fence. Now, the other fence was this little thing here that it actually just sat on another piece, and it slid about right there. And I noticed when I did my first test cut on this machine that it was just so wobbly at this end here. So I pretty much sourced a bunch of hardware from my hardware bins and some scrap, bit of metal that actually was almost, if you look at it, almost the right height, but just, you know, slightly lower. So what I've done is I'll come across, and so pretty much you release it here, we'll come all the way over here, and I've came up with this cool little mechanism which costs basically nothing. And what it is, you can see I've got the bed frame here, and you can see how wobbly that is. I've got the bed frame, which is this piece of flat steel. I've got a wooden block in here which is held by a screw on this side and a screw on that side. And basically when you lock it down, so we'll lock it down from this side here, and it's got some play here. So what I did was just came up with this cool little mechanism that actually grips the edge of the table saw. So now it doesn't move, and if you want to, just let it go. And you can also adjust this little rubber foot here. So look, we'll go again, bam, and it's that easy. So basically you're just going to need a $1.25 or two for $2.50 from eBay, toggle clamps, a piece of timber, a few screws, and a nice flat piece of steel, metal, whatever. And honestly, it doesn't look like it's been made because the color silver matches the table. But yeah, anyway, let me know what everyone thought. I'm pretty tired. I've been out here because I assembled the whole video. You can see there, assembled the whole saw. I still got to edit the video, but yeah, let me know what you think of this cool little table saw mod. Now you can adjust it here if I want it tight or loose. But yeah, that's it. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.